Welcome to Eric's Design Hub. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Just want to get this channel moving, so let's get into it. First, I wanted to show you how to reverse a video. And let's just pull a video up here, like a countdown, just as an example. Countdown. I wasn't design, my fault. Let's go into countdown. Okay. Here we have, this is good. Okay, let me make this bigger. Okay. Let's run this video. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think we all get it. 0. And stops. Why don't we reverse it? So it goes from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube, and they don't do justice to what this is. This is not flip the video. It's reverse. So let's have a look at what we're going to do here. First, we're going to save this video. Okay, so we're going to do share, download, and download the video. Okay, so whatever video it is, we're going to download it. And we're going to upload it to this website and reverse it and put it back in here. So let that download. And you can do it in CapCut too. I don't know, I haven't done it in CapCut, but I just want to try to keep everything I can in the same software. So let this download. Okay, now we are going to go to this website, ezgif.com. You see that at the upper left? I'll leave a link of how to get this. I'm in Opera. That's the one I use. So now we're going to load the file we just saved. So load. And this one always shows me the last one. This is it. I didn't really give it a good name. My bad. But whatever. That's the file, right? Try upload. So now it's uploading the file that I just downloaded. This is the 543210. So it's going to be reversed. So let it load up. And it'll take a bit. And then down here it just says reverse the video. You can do a couple of other things here in this program, but this is the one I use a lot. Well, when I do also do it. You can see at the top, it can make the size smaller. So this is the additional features that you're not asking to look in the video, but this is the one here. It can do a couple of the things. Let me just pause this again. Okay, it is uploaded now. Now it says here reverse. Reverse video. I don't want to reverse the sound. You know, it's going to go. I don't really care about that. I can add the sound in later. I want to reverse the video. So I will reverse the video. And then we're going to let it do its magic. So it's going to save the file, and I will upload it back up to Canva. And okay, I'll just stop the preview. I'll just say here as on the far right, save. Click save, and now it's saving it. Okay, now let's upload that video back up. And you could speed up the video too if you want. I can do a separate video on that. But this is just reverse, not flip, reverse. Okay, let it download. And then I'll upload it back up. Okay, I uploaded the video back up. Let me see this background. And let's run it. The first part, this is running a lot smoother. That's why I did it here. So, and then it will come here. Look at that, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you see how the beginning, this is the first part of the video. See, it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and then all that dead space, 0, and then stop. This is where I really should have split it and done it, but whatever. Just so you can see how it is reversed. So let me know in the comments what you think of this, and I can go through other examples too, because I've been doing a lot of videos, and maybe it's good to do a tutorial on them. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.